guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Megan Fraise. Of course, as you already know, I am back with another video because recently I received a new box. As you guys already know, it's Glossybox. Like I said on my previous videos, I have collaboration with Glossybox, and they just send me skincare products and makeup products which I have to review, and then of course some of them, if I'm not using, I'm gonna send them away. So if you want to see what I received this time around, keep on watching. So first thing first, I am going to open up the box. Unfortunately, my camera is not charged enough for me, guys, to show you how I'm opening it, but you're gonna see one by one. So this is how it looks. I received this makeup and magic. So this is the theme of the month. Like every month they send me a box full of discounts and skincare products and makeup products. So I guess all of this is what I have received this time around, and I'm gonna show you guys which one are those and tell you about the price, how much is retailing, and how you can get them. Okay, so firstly, I just love the way they do. The packaging is amazing. I'm just fan of the packaging. So like I said, I'm so excited, and it seems like it's like every time they send me a new box there is a palette in it, and I'm just so loving it. So first thing first, like, I'm a fan of palettes. I'm just like, I can't get enough of them. And yeah, I received this eyeshadow palette from lasplash cosmetics, and it's called the Magic Palette, and also it retails £29. So if you want to get it, just go to lasplashcosmetic.com. I'll show you guys what I got to give you guys an idea, and it's very easy. You can just go online and basically type in lasplash cosmetics and you're going to see it. So the palette is called Magic. All right, let's see, or probably let's swatch as well. So this is what I got. It has a mirror in here, and I love this. I think this palette is good for beginners, people who wants to join in the makeup season, people who wants to join in the makeup community. I guess these are all the colors that you need. It's so basic, but it's very good. I love the color. So we are going to swatch quickly. I'm taking amber, citrine, rose quartz, and aragonite. Don't know if that's how they say it. So that's how it looks. This is aragonite. This is rose quartz. Ooh, they're pigmented. And this is amber. Ooh, I love it. And this is citrine. Oh my god, are they not beautiful? I think I definitely have to make a video out of it. I'm gonna make a video out of this one. I love this palette already, and as expensive as they are, I don't know. I don't want to be the judge of it, but if you want to give it a try, go onto the website and you can find the palette. I think this is gonna be my go-to palette now. I love it. I just love it. So let's move on to the next products that I have received. This is Spectrum Collections. I guess that's how it's called. Spectrum Collection Zodiac. And it is a blender. Yeah, let's open up and see what they have inside. Ooh, it is a blender. I can use a blender. You can never have enough of these brushes. Yeah, I guess why not? It is cute, golden yellow, not bad. I can use this one later on. And how much is it normally? The Spectrum Collections B07 brush It's a blender that retails for £8, so £7.99. $7.99 for this is quite pricey, but yeah, I got it for free, so I'm not gonna complain. I received in my box is the Generation Clay, and this is a clay, so apply an even layer to clean dry skin. Wait approximately 10 minutes or until the mask starts to tighten. Use water to gently rinse off your mask in circular motion, then lightly pat your skin dry. Okay, so this is a brightening purple clay mask. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a try. They say it's brightening, it refines, illuminates, and nurture your skin. We're gonna see. So Generation Clay. So the next product I received, it's argan oil repairing deep conditioner, and you guys know about argan oil and then what it does on your skin, on your hair. It's very very good. It's a hydrating treatment, straightening, and yeah, it helps with dry hair. And yeah, I guess it's quite expensive as well on the market, but how much it's retailing? It's retailing only for £2, so it's really really good. It's a conditioner, it restores dry and damaged hair. So this is the argan oil, you cannot miss that, it's everywhere in the market. And then this product that I received, it's a purple moonstone glitter gel mask. I guess every time that they send me a box, there is always a mask in it. Either it's a foot mask or it's a face mask, which is amazing. So yeah, it's called Fcbk. It's called Fcbk, and it retails for £2.49. So I guess that's it for all we had for in our box today. And my favorite, which you guys already know, it's this one here, Lasplash Cosmetics. Kudos to you, I love it. I'm going to use it very soon. And yeah, thank you so much. I guess this is the end of this video. I am going to leave you guys. I just wanted to show you guys what I received, and if you're interested, please make sure you go. And of course, this video is not sponsored. Just go on the Glossybox website, register yourself for a chance to start receiving a box every month. So yes, that's just it. And also make sure you watch my latest video, you subscribe, make sure you send me a comment, you tag your friends, you share with your friends and families. And I guess I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. So bye, thanks for watching.